So the next type of task is the code correction task. So the idea is that the code is actually syntactically correct. It has no syntax errors, but it still doesn't run as it is supposed to run. So you have to correct it somehow. So fix the code so that within the main method of the print test class, messages are displayed on the screen such that parts of the messages are not stuck together. The first message should contain of 3 parts and the second should consist of 2. So what's the problem? I will run the code and see what everything is about. So what's the main issue here? Okay, so I see now. So it says this text is about, and then this is stuck together 2 times longer than the next one, and in the next line this text is shorter, so this is all stuck together, and I need to correct the code so the words aren't stuck together. So that means that I will have to put in some blank spaces. Okay, so one blank space here and another one here, and so that the number 2 doesn't get stuck with these 2 words, and another blank space here, for example. Okay, so let's rerun my code and see that if it's okay. Yeah, now everything's okay, nothing is stuck together, and now I can minimize this and I can check the task. So as always, you may find a hint here, so everything is okay. You may find a hint which may help you if you're stuck. So and you can also pick the solution. So the code correction task is about this, correcting the code which is given, which has no syntax errors, but it still doesn't do what it is supposed to be doing.